Hi there! Want to earn with Jalil.store? Here's how to become our affiliate in just a few minutes. Step 1. Go to Jalil.store. On the top menu, click More, and then choose Affiliate Registration. You'll see a short registration form. Fill it out with your username, first and last name, email address, and password. Don't forget to confirm your password too. Next, enter your payment email. If you ever need to change your payment method later, you can simply send us an email after you're approved. Now add your website or social media link and tell us how you plan to promote Jalil.store. Once everything's complete, click the Register button. Our team will review your application, and once you're approved, you can log in to your affiliate account anytime. To find it, just go again to More and click Affiliate Account. Inside your affiliate dashboard, you'll see your unique affiliate link. You can even generate links for specific products. Just go to Shop Now, choose a vendor, pick a product, and copy-paste the product link. Your personal affiliate link and QR code will appear instantly. From your dashboard, you can check your commissions, payouts, and visits anytime. So what are you waiting for? Join Jalil.store's affiliate program today and start earning by sharing your favorite products.